Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate workflows with Codeium. Codeium's AI powered features can help you streamline and automate various coding tasks, improving your efficiency. So let's dive in. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project where you want to automate workflows. Codeium integrates seamlessly to provide real-time assistance and suggestions. Start by identifying the repetitive tasks in your workflow that can be automated. These could include code generation, formatting, testing, or deployment tasks. Codeium will offer automation suggestions as you work on your code. These suggestions can include script templates, automation snippets, and best practices for automating common tasks. To apply a suggestion, simply click on it or press enter button. Codeium will insert the recommended automation code into your project, helping you streamline your workflow. Use Codeium's tools to create scripts for automating tasks such as running tests, building projects, or deploying your code. Codeium can provide code snippets and templates to get you started quickly. Customize Codeium settings to match your automation needs and adjust preferences for the types of suggestions shown and how they align with your workflow goals. Regularly review and refine your automation scripts to ensure they perform as expected. Codeium suggestions can help you create effective automation, but always validate changes through testing. Leverage Codeium's features to continuously enhance your automated workflows, ensuring they are as efficient and effective as possible. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to automate workflows with Codeium. This tool can help you streamline your coding tasks and improve your overall efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.